A telephone station has X processors, each of which can process a maximum of Y calls. So the total calls that can be processed at any particular times should be equal to X times Y, because each processor can process Y calls and X processors are there, so X into Y should be the total calls that the processors can process together. If 500 calls are sent to the station, can the station process all the calls? So the question is only asking, is X into Y greater than 500 or not? Because X into Y are the calls that the station can process, and we must take the cognizance of the information that X and Y here are positive integers. The first statement here says that X is equal to 600. That means X into Y is equal to 600 Y, where Y is an integer which has to be either 1 or greater than 1. An integer, that means 600 Y is definitely going to be greater than 500. So 500 calls can certainly be processed. The answer to the question is definitely yes. And so we say that the first statement alone is sufficient to answer the question. That leaves us only two choices with us, option A and option D. The second statement says that Y is between 100 and 200. But now, if X is equal to 1, then the total maximum number of calls that can be processed will be equal to 200, in fact less than 200. And if the value of X is equal to 1000, then X into Y minimum will also be equal to 1000 multiplied by 100. So that will be 10,000. So the answer will be yes, because it is greater than 500, it is not greater than 500. Inconsistency leads us to the conclusion that the second statement alone is not sufficient, and the answer to the question therefore is option A. Thank you so much.